Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Hi guys, and thank you all for taking the time out to support and watch my channel, B&W Art. This is just an update video about my switch to a new selling platform. As some of you may already know, I've been working on making a switch to my domain website where I now have an online store. There you will see current artwork I have for sale, including fluid paintings, landscapes, abstract, and even a contact form where you can request your own custom art. Jewelry will also be added soon, which includes beaded jewelry, cabochon necklaces, and charm necklaces. More art is also added weekly. I also specialize in graphic designs, which can be requested through my website as well, which includes logos, t-shirt designs, and YouTube thumbnails. Thank you all again so much, and I look forward to making new tutorials and videos in the near future. Well, that's all for now. Bye! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_leeway or on my Twitter at Leawayartisans.